Hello friends, how are you? I am Patel. Today I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel. First of all, we are going to chapter number 2, part 2 of economics, that is indicators of growth and development. The second part of this chapter, our second topic is characteristics of economic development, limitations of economic development, and differences between economic growth, economic development. We will learn in this video. So continue watch this video to further detailed information about these topics. Our first topic of this video is characteristics of economic development. First point. Economic development is a continuous process. Yes, it is continuous process which is going on continue. Economic development is a slow but strong process in a predetermined order and direction. In any country, development is a process which is easy to start but difficult to maintain. Yes, it is easy to start but difficult to maintain. The process of development is usually fast initially but slows down over a period of time. Second, quantitative and qualitative changes takes place. Yes, what is quantitative? It is depend on quantity, and qualitative it is depend on quality. Changes takes place in economic development. Output increases, which is quantitative, and due to research the quality of the product improves, which is qualitative, but there is a more qualitative improvements. Third, change in demand. There is rise in the income of the people due to development, which changes in the taste. In the initial stages of development, the demand for basic or primary goods rise, but subsequently there is a rise in the demand for comforts and luxurious goods. Yes, it is depend on changing demand. Fourth point, labor become more dynamic. Development leads to increase in education of labor, which makes him more dynamic. Yes, education of labor, so that it is makes more dynamic. Fifth, increases capital formation. Development leads to increase in demand for different commodities. New enterprises come forward, due to which the rate of investment and capital formation increases enormously. Yes, it is increasing in capital formation by the economic development. 6. Change in technology. There is a shift in dependence from fire water based technology to coal and iron based technology, which results in faster development. Change in technology which is depend on economic development. There is a development, yes, there is change. Seven topic. After a particular stage, development becomes self-motivating. Yes, where the development is start, it is self-motivated to get developing. And the next topic of this video is limitations of the concept of economic development. Limitations. First, economic development indicates the progress of a nation. It shows the economic scenario, but in real sense, it cannot discuss the human development. It cannot become the index of human progress. Yes, it cannot define the development of human. It is only focuses on the progress of a nation. So it is a limitation. Second, economic development cannot be measured as economic growth. It is a very difficult to measure economic development. Economic development includes those changes that have happened in the society. It is very difficult to derive a measurement of this. Yes, we can't derive the measurement of this. We only see the development. Third, when economic development takes place, the standard of living of people improves. Through economic development is taking place in India today. There is not much improvement in this standard of living of the people, and therefore we cannot say the economic development means improvement in standard of living. Yes, we can see the development, but we can't define the standard of living of the people of that nation. Yes. The next topic, difference between the growth and development. You can see in this picture there is a mistake of economic growth and economic development. It is typing mistake. First, economic development is a process. Yes, development is a process, but economic growth is an occurrence. ये एक occurrence है, यानी एक घटना है. In economic development, quantitative and qualitative changes take place. Yes, but economic growth, quantitative changes occur. Only quantitative changes occur. Third, in economic development, the questions of utilizations of utilized resource arises. Utilizations of utilized resource arises, but economic growth emphasis is on the distribution of available resources. Fourth, the concept of economic development is related to developing countries. Yes, economic development is only related to the developing countries, but economic growth is related to only developed countries. like Europe and America. Fifth, economic development is difficult to measure. Yes, we can't measure like development, but it is very easy to measure economic growth. We can see the economic growth. Okay, the concept of development is broad. The concept of development is broad, it is wide, but the concept of growth is narrow. Economic development is related to distribution along with per capita income. Yes, it is related to distribution along with per capita income per population. But economic growth is only related to increase in per capita income. It is related to increase in per capita income, and the development is distribution along with the per capita income. So it is difference. 8. Economic development is a slow process, but economic growth is a rapid process. It's a fast process. Ninth, last topic, economic development is not possible without economic growth, but economic growth is possible without economic development. This is the main line of these differences. That is, economic development is not possible without economic growth. The first step is economic growth. When the country gets economic growth, then the country is developing. But economic growth is possible without economic development. So this is the differences of economic growth and economic development. I think you got the idea about the economic growth and economic development of these differences. On the basis of these differences, so continue watch these videos for further topics of the chapter number 2.